Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all how to make an easy Milo Dalgona at home. You all are going to love this whipped iced tea. So stay tuned, let me show you how to make it. So guys, to make this whipped Milo, I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of Milo powder. You can probably try using Ovaltine if you had that on hand, or maybe use cocoa powder. I'm not sure if the cocoa powder will whip. You would probably have to do the egg meringue or some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to go in here with 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're following the same measurements like the coffee version, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So guys, after whipping and whipping, it's not getting where I want it to be, that nice whipped consistency. So I'm adding in some heavy cream, and I am sure that the heavy cream will whip this. So let's try it with the heavy cream now and see. Okay, so this is finished. A really nice whipping consistency. You see, it's gonna float when we put it on our ice and our milk. So let me get the ice and our milk prepared. So to my ice, I'm going to go in with milk. And if you guys wanted to use Milo in the milk, so you can really get that strong Milo flavor, of course, go for it. So mix some Milo in here if you wanted to, and now all I have to do is top this with our whipped Milo. Wow, how good does that look? Ooh. Okay, so what I'm going to do just to gild the lily is I'm going to sprinkle some of that Milo on the top of it. I mean, why not, right? Yay! Ooh, now that is what I call a drink. So guys, you see how easy this was to put together? Now, you all may not have heavy whipping cream on hand, so if you don't, I would suggest using the matcha version, like how I whip the egg white with the sugar water to create that meringue, and then you add your Milo to it, and then you can get it, because I know a lot of you may say you don't have that heavy whipping cream. So I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I am going to dive into this. It is absolutely amazing. I just tasted the whipping part of it and it tastes so amazing. So I can't wait for you all to try it. Thank you for requesting this video. Please remember to stay safe and stay home. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.